Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cindy Artrip, Avon representative, gold leader, been with Avon 13 years. So if you don't know me, that's who I am. So I'm coming to you today to talk to you about the makeup I have on my face, which is all from Avon. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the different products I used to put my makeup on today. So, of course, the first thing I did was cleanse my face and use my Clinical Eye Lift, which is on the cover of Campaign 10, what I just showed you. So this is Clinical Eye Lift. And this product is great. It really wakes up your eyes. It does have caffeine in it. It's awesome. There was a really great sale in Campaign 10 on this product and all the other eye products, and they were all $14.99 each. So you can back order them if you wanted to. These are all the products that were available for $14.99 each, and also the Clinical Eye Lift. Okay, so you can back order them from Campaign 10. So, and also this is the A box that's on the back of Campaign 10 that you can back order that also. You have to place a $40 order in Campaign 10 and you can get the A box for just $10. And the products that are in the box are great. This is called a Pro Pick box. And you're getting a full-size mascara, which is a Wide Awake mascara, and it is in black. Okay, so you're getting a Wide Awake mascara. It's full size. You're also getting a glimmer stick eyeliner, and it's in Blackest Night, which is our waterproof glimmer stick, full size. Okay, and this A box is valued at $52. So you spend $40 or more, and you get the A box for $10. There is a trial size of the vitamin C. This is a great serum. It's a brightening serum. And our famous Avon True Color, and it's the moisturizing eye makeup remover, which is awesome. This stuff is great. I use it every night to remove my eye makeup. No irritation, nothing. And then we also have, these are like 2-week trial sizes or travel size of our Anew Platinum day and night. So you're getting some really great stuff in this A box. So I just wanted to talk to you about that really quick. In case if you missed out on it, you can still get it. Just back order it through Campaign 10. $40 or more, and you get the A box for $10. Okay, so the products, of course, I'm using were, so I cleansed my face, and then I use my moisturizer, I use my Clinical Eye Lift, and then I used our Magic, and this is a skin perfector. So if you have any kind of visible pores that when you put your makeup on and it kind of looks pitted, this will help fill in those pores. Okay, so I used this before I put my makeup on, and then I put my makeup on. Okay, this is the compact. Put my makeup on, and this is Flawless Mattifying face powder. So I put that on, and then I also used our Anew concealer. Okay, and it has a doe foot to apply the makeup on, which is really nice. So you can pinpoint where you want it. Like if you need it just in one spot, you can just dot it onto your face and then, you know, rub it in. So I love this. So that was my concealer. And then I used my blush. Okay, and this is in Rose Luster. And this is Ideal Luminous Blush. Comes with a little brush, or you can use your own blush brush. Okay, and the eyeshadow I have on is my Duo eyeshadow, and it's in Gray Matters. And I use the gray on my eyelids, and then I use a little bit of the pink just in the center, just to highlight it. So I used that eyeshadow. The eyeliner I used was Saturn Gray, which is a glimmer stick. I also used the mascara, which is Avon's True Color, and it is this Super Extend. And with use over time, this mascara will help your lashes grow longer and thicker. And it's easy to remove, so it's not going to be one of those mascaras that's going to take you forever to get it off, or the next day it's still on. This is very easy to remove. And again, this comes in black, black, and brown. And we also have it in the navy too. So this mascara is really great, Super Extend. And my eyebrows I did with our Ultra Luxury liner, which we don't carry anymore, but this is what I had and I've been using, and it was in blonde. Okay, but we do have the glimmer sticks and the brow definers, and we have them in blonde. And I also used a lip liner, which is our glimmer stick lip liners, and I did it in nude. And the lipstick I used was in the color, oh geez, I can't even say it, but this is the color I used, and I want to say it's Avon's True Color lipstick, and I can't remember the formula, but I love it. It's nice and soft on the lips. It doesn't dry them out. You feel really moisturized, and I like it, and it stays on very well, so it stays on for a while. So after I put all of my makeup on, I then use Avon's True Color finishing spray, and you only need a couple sprays. You hold the bottle away from you about 8 to 10 inches and just go pss, pss, and it sets your makeup great. So I love these products. So those are the products I use on a daily basis when I'm putting my makeup on. And as you can see, I pretty much have a very flawless looking application of makeup, which is really nice. And I am going to come out with a video because we do have highlighting and contouring products now. So I'm going to come out and do a video about that. So stay tuned, subscribe so that you get notified when I do it. And thank you so much for stopping by. And if you have any comments, just put them down below. I comment to all of my YouTube videos. So I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.